Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will tell you how to create a group chat in Snapchat. First of all, open Snapchat and scroll right. Here you can see different names of people. You wanna create new group, tap on blue button on right corner. Tap on it. Now tap on new group. Tap on it and write name of group you want to add. I'm writing name of group friend. You can write any one of your favorite name. After that, tap on to and start tapping on names to add these peoples in your group. And now press chat with group. You cannot add peoples who did not added you back. For this purpose, it is necessary that all the peoples added you back. Now I will remove all these groups, all these names, and add only that name that added me back. These two names added me. Now I tap on chat with group, and here you can see group is created with the name of friend, and you can add many other friends. Up to 200 people you can add this in this group, but it is necessary that other people also added you back. Now you can chat with group, or you can create a new group also. Hope you like the video. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.